Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Harmony 1. Once again, thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So with Harmony 1 then, it's one of them coins that in the summer came up, coiled up, it broke out and it gave you a technical target, okay? And it met that technical target, this huge horizontal, if you remember. So at that point you're breaking out, you fell back to the trend line, basically a throwback to support, resistance becomes support. I've taught you that right now, okay? And it did it over a couple of weeks, came up, met the technical target, okay? So beautiful, beautiful long trade from that break of resistance all the way up there, 177%. But you know, as it were falling down here, you know, I gave you a lovely little breakout target because you're forming a buy and go to the beach signal on the daily time frame down here, okay? And like I said to you, these are like rocking horse shit. You got a lovely little buy and go to the beach down here, and it's at this point I said to you, look, Harmony 1 is going to come up, break that high, and you're looking at a beautiful 1618 target around about 644%. So far it's come up, and you can see there's a lot of confluence here. It's running into these fibs, okay? You ran into the all-time high, you came back for support, you actually found support on the 0618, the golden ratio, came back up, coiled up in that horizontal, broke out, and you can see you ran into 1272 and came back to the previous all-time high. You actually had that whopping correction way back there in December. You coiled up here, and you start to come back up and attack this once more. So what you're doing right now, like you did here, you put in a whopping correction just there. See this correction? And what you did, you've broken out and you created a buy and go to the beach signal from here, like rocking horse shit basically. So you can hold them as support, fantastic entry point. And right now, if you look here on the daily time frame, you know, we're still not at the 1618 target. I love to see the coins get to that's always my technical target. When you come up, you create an impulsive wave, you retrace from normal level support, this swing high, start to come up and break the high, you are an impulsive break target to the 1618. So for me, you're looking at a 58-cent price tag for Harmony 1, okay? So it's basically halfway there. So what we need to do is keep doing what we're doing. Run into resistance, support, okay? This is a bit of a deeper correction in December because obviously, you know, people selling crypto to pay taxes and things like that in America. A big correction across the board, coiled up, starting to break out. You can see we're running to the 1272 again, but we're falling back to a buy and go to the beach signal at the moment. So this is really, really strong. Okay, providing we can hold this could offer a fantastic entry point here for Harmony 1. Falling back into it, start to come back up and attack that high. Okay, so this could be a lovely little trade moving forward with stop losses. Right now, you could be looking at a beautiful little 130% upside from where we are right now, providing you can hold this buy and go to the beach signal. Okay, when everyone's really fearful, you know, by blood, by fear, and just here we've got a lovely little buy and go to the beach on the daily as well. So providing we can hold it like we did here, this we're going to start to see, you know, Harmony 1 come upstairs. Now, you know, a lot of people say, oh, it's not a lot of money and it's not a big forecast, but you know, I don't give hopium forecasts. I always give you know, Fibonacci forecasts. We could obviously come up like this, okay, hit that, and go beyond that and get overextended and go parabolic here for Harmony 1, but this is my always my conservative forecast for you. And you can see you run into the fibs, support resistance. If you start to coil up here and you break this high, the 1272, you've got resistance above at the 1414, where, you know, again, take a bit of profit because you run into it, come back, run into it, come back, coil up, break out, come back like that, and do something like that. Eventually get into the 1618 at 58 cents there for Harmony 1 in this bull run. So far so good. It's holding the technical support for that eventually. Okay, and like I said to you, you've got a lovely little buy and go to the beach signal here for Harmony 1 on the daily time frame that you're sort of coming back into as support. So providing that can hold, this could offer a fantastic entry point at this point for Harmony 1 moving forward, bringing you up to that 1618 target there. So enjoyed that little update on Harmony 1, but so far so good. Look at it moving upstairs like a beast basically. Now obviously, you know, if it starts to roll and comes down and loses this low, this is your key low in the bull market here, you start to come down there, you can see you're losing structure and doing something like that. But you know, for me to say that that's going to happen right now whilst you're holding key support, you know, you come up on that swing high, swing low, found support like this, that would be a technical target moving forward for me, not this scenario that everyone's calling for, the bear market at the moment, isn't it? So, you know, structurally you sound for continuation, providing you can keep doing what you're doing, holding support. Okay, take care everyone, back soon with another update on Harmony 1. Stay healthy, stay soon, stay strong, bye bye.